Hello learners, today we are going to begin with third module of our course, that is digital marketing process. In this module, I will cover various steps involved in digital marketing process. I will explain this process from the viewpoint of startup businesses. However, this process is equally good for established businesses who are going to adopt digital marketing for the first time in their overall marketing strategy. After the completion of this module, you will be able to understand various steps of digital marketing process and learn how to fit these steps in overall digital marketing strategy. Before I outline various steps of digital marketing process, let us see what is digital marketing process. Actually, digital marketing process is a comprehensive way to promote the business online using various digital marketing tools and to expand its wings across the world. Usually, digital marketing process consists of following steps. These steps are developing digital marketing strategy, creating visibility of your brand, generating traffic to your business, engaging the traffic, conversion of traffic into leads, lead conversion, measurement and tracking, and finally, retention. Let us discuss these steps one by one. The first step of digital marketing process is developing digital marketing strategy. According to a survey conducted by Smart Insight, 45% of businesses don't have clearly defined digital marketing strategy, which may adversely affect the success of digital marketing. What is digital marketing strategy? Digital marketing strategy is a series of actions that a company takes to achieve its marketing goals by carefully selecting and planning for digital marketing tools. Before developing a digital marketing strategy, one should ask the right question at right time, such as, what are your short-term and long-term goals? What challenges are you facing now? What challenges are you expected to face in future? Who are your prospects and how to attract them? Who are your competitors? How much you should invest in marketing programs? And what is your expected return on investment? Answer to these questions will help you to develop a sound digital marketing strategy for the future. We have one full module on developing digital marketing strategy. We will discuss in detail about it in the days to come. Once digital marketing strategy is developed, the next step is to create the visibility for your brand. Suppose you have just opened a new restaurant in the city. Tell me, how many people might be knowing about your restaurant? Very simple, not many people. Why? Because your business or brand is not visible to your potential customers yet. Therefore, you have to create the visibility for your business first before you expect customers to come to your business. Now the question is, what is visibility? Visibility is reaching out to your potential customers and telling them that you are on internet selling specific product and services. In a way, they can search for your business, they can reach out to your business, or they can recognize your business. Let us try to understand with the help of an example. Amazon is an online retailing store selling various products and services to its customers throughout the world. It has the visibility, or you can say online presence, through its website, mobile app, Facebook page, YouTube channel, Twitter account, Instagram, email, and so many other platforms. There are different forms of visibility too, and a business can integrate them to have synergistic effect on their potential customers. These forms are owned visibility, paid visibility, and earned visibility. Let's understand them one by one. Owned visibility: when a business or brand is visible through a platform that is owned by the business itself, and business has full rights to edit and delete the content on that platform. For example, an online retailer, Flipkart, has its own website. The website is exclusively owned by the Flipkart, and the content on this website can be edited, deleted, or modified at any time by Flipkart depending upon the situation. In simple words, it is the property of the Flipkart, and it is an excellent example of owned visibility. Other examples of owned visibility are mobile app, blog, social profile like Facebook page, Instagram page, YouTube channel, and many more. You may think about so many other brands that have owned visibility. The second form of visibility is the paid visibility. As the name suggests, it's a kind of visibility where business has to pay the price for using third parties' platform to have the visibility. Let me clear it with the help of an example. As we know, Flipkart is one of the most popular online stores in India. It utilizes various paid platforms to have visibility and to reach out to the potential customers such as Google Ad, paid search, paid link, paid content, etc. On all these platforms, Flipkart has to pay the price for utilizing the services of these platforms. We will discuss about these platforms in the subsequent modules. The last form of visibility is earned visibility. Earned visibility basically represents the visibility that is earned by the brand when customers themselves promote the brand by discussing, liking, or sharing the content of your business on online platforms. Let us look at few examples of earned visibility. First one is electronic word of mouth. When people write online reviews of your product and services or reply to these reviews on different websites is an example of earned visibility. Another one is the viral marketing. When people like or share your brand content on social media platform is an example of earned visibility. Search engine page ranking. When your website is ranked high in the search result, that is another example of earned visibility. The unique feature of earned visibility is that it is usually free of cost. One question is usually asked, which form of visibility works more for brands? The answer is very simple. Brands cannot rely on single form of visibility. Actually, they have to work out strategy to integrate all forms of visibility for synergic effect, be it owned visibility, paid visibility, or earned visibility. Let's now move to the next step of digital marketing process, that is generating the traffic for your business. I will discuss this point in the next video.